Meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
All right, we are taking a look downtown on our Stevenson Skyview camera network. Helen, we have been listening to raindrops on and off of our roof downtown today.
Thunder, lightning. We've had a pretty active afternoon of weather, really. This morning it was really nice. I was down at Wrightsville Beach for a little bit, went out in the water. It was great. And then once we got past lunchtime, things kind of blew up.
At least it's not just super hot.
Yeah, I know. Some of us are, I think, glad that we're getting a little bit of rain, but glad we're not dealing with anything tropical. At least over the last several weeks, things have been really quiet. But let's go ahead and look at the tropics right now, because we do have a new disturbance that we've been tracking over the last couple of days. It is now in the eastern Caribbean Sea. So quiet in the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean at this time. But like I said, we're watching this one tropical wave that's trying to get a little bit more organized. And it looks like it's going to get its act together over the next couple of days. But here are the latest details as of 2 o'clock. That was our last update. Has winds of 35 miles per hour, sustained winds moving pretty quickly at 28 miles per hour towards the west. But look at the spaghetti models. This is the forecast track, and you can see a lot of the models are in pretty good agreement that it's not going to have any impact here on the United States. So even though if it becomes Earl, that would be our next named storm, it won't have any impact here on southeastern North Carolina. So we'll just continue to track things over the next several days. Right now at the ILM Airport, 77 degrees. Do have a few storms still around. We've been seeing them weaken over the last couple of hours, though. Dew point at 74, so definitely very muggy out there, and a calm wind at this time. And so, like I said, once we got past 2, 3 o'clock, we saw the storms really pop up, mainly right along the sea breeze. A lot of heavy rain, a lot of lightning associated with this as well. Have a few local storm reports of trees down over in Pender County, but a lot of those storms are really starting to weaken right now, especially once we get past maybe 9 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we'll see all that activity basically just start to fizzle out. And as we go into our Monday morning, it should be a mixture of sun and clouds, and again, more of the same. A chance for some scattered storms in the afternoon. I think this model is really underplaying how much activity we're probably going to be seeing by 4:30 tomorrow afternoon. So have in mind that the umbrella is going to be a good idea to bring with you to work tomorrow. And then even on Tuesday, probably a little bit better chance. And this model is not even showing any activity, but again, it's a good idea to keep your guard up over the next couple of days, as unsettled weather will be with us, especially for Monday and Tuesday. A 40 to 50% chance both of those days, and then we start to trim those chances for storms down. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, only about a 30% chance. So again, we'll get the rain that we need. At least our gardens and plants will be thanking us for a little bit of rain that we got today and over the next few days. Partly cloudy skies tonight. Those storms will be coming to an end. Temperatures will fall down into the upper 70s with a southwest wind about 10 miles per hour. Still going to be hot and sticky tomorrow, but a better chance for those storms in the afternoon. Partly sunny skies, southwest wind about 10 miles per hour. And if you're heading out to the beach, like I said, keep an eye on the radar. Once you get past lunchtime, 89 degrees and a low risk for rip currents. We'll see those temperatures get down in the upper 80s for Wednesday and Thursday, and then returning back into the 90s for the latter portion of the week, with mostly sunny skies for next weekend. But like I said, rain is not always a bad thing. It's been pretty quiet the last week, so a little bit of rain is not too bad, at least by my standards.
All right.